You may have seen a video of how I put together this Enzo Necker. If you haven't, there will be a link here and you can click to it. These liners didn't come with the kit, but the sheath did, and this pin didn't come with the kit either, so I improvised my own design, but the overall look of the knife is from the kit, which is the blade, these white G10 scales, and the leather sheath. So in this video, obviously from the title, we'll be making a Kydex sheath for this Enzo neck knife. Now I really like the quality of the leather on this sheath. I like the build and everything except the functionality and the design. I think the issue is with the design. Long story short, it does not have basically any retention, and I've tried all kinds of different methods and I'm not able to bring this to my liking. So, you know, right there. Now you can wear it on the belt, but it sticks out. I guess I could put a dangler on it, and that way it would be hanging about that way, but then you're wasting your belt knife place, I guess, for this tiny neck knife, whereas you're better off carrying something, you know, mid-size. This is not really mid-size, but something as a main knife on your right side or your left side, whatever your scout carry. So this will never replace a medium-sized knife, right? So it's for more delicate tasks, hence why it's called a neck knife. It's worn around the neck, blah blah blah, supposed to be lightweight, easy to grab, put in and out of the sheath, but it's not really safe if I do it this way. If I put a paracord in here, it can easily, like, you know, if you're bending over working on something around your campsite, it just falls out too easily. Now, of course, I've tried wet forming. I've tried, I put a buttload of this beeswax. No, it's not called beeswax, it's something else wax. Anyway, all natural, this is for leather, suitable for flat leather, vegetable tanned leather, and suede. So what it does is it softens up the leather and some other benefits as well, but what I needed it for is to soften it up so that I can shape it. Long story short, it just doesn't work, not on this knife. And considering that I've also thickened it by almost 3 millimeters by adding these red liners, still I'm not able to get a decent retention. Mostly it's the design. It's almost like this sheath was not designed for the knife. You know, the shape, there's a lot of loose space in here, and regardless of how I press it, it just doesn't hold. Anyway, so I need to replace this, and we'll be building a Kydex sheath so that we can belt carry or neck carry the knife and do it safely. Let's start working. So this is what we have upon completion. I added some loomed powder and glue on both sides here, so that just works nice with the contrast of dark and lighter colors on both sides. Plus it illuminates UV flashlight for you, and as you can see, that's glow powder just like that. And so that will glow in the night, and we can see it glowing all over the place. Also, I've added the usual lock function that I like to put on my Kydex sheaths. so it goes in and out quite well, does the click. It does not fall out even when unlocked, but obviously this adds strength. Now this is still plastic, it's not steel, so you can still yank it out, but it's way more difficult. And then putting it in, as you can see, it'll get stuck. So the lock serves its function. I've added these loop things that I ordered on AliExpress. I think I got 4 pairs, so 8 of these. No, sorry, 4 of these for like $14 or $15. They sell for significantly higher prices on Amazon. So if you're not in a rush, I suggest that you head over to AliExpress to get this. This is nylon underneath and it has a rubber coating, so I expect it to last basically forever. Not forever, it's rubber and nylon. I mean, after a while it'll wear out probably, but I don't expect it to wear out in my use. So I can neck carry it through this eyelet, or I can neck carry it on the dangler, and I can take off the dangler entirely if I want to. So there we go. I'm quite happy with how this ended up, and we're on to the next project. So stay tuned. I do need to build a sheath for this beautiful knife. I'll be using the same red Kydex sheath. This is very high quality, got it from Amazon, and it goes well with the liners. It's exactly the same color, so it'll go well on this knife as well. So thank you for watching, stay tuned and have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like if you like the content.